Is culture from God? It's a good question to ask. Is culture from God? Obviously, easy question, yes. God created culture in its glorious beauty. Culture is of God and it's beautiful. And so the enemy wants people all over the world to understand that culture is bad. They want one world culture. They want everybody to look the same, speak the same, be the same, believe the same ungodly things. It's like the opposite. In the spirit, we are all the same. But God created beautiful cultures. To be cultural is not a sin. And culture in itself is not a sin. But it is what is sinful in a culture that makes it a sin, right? You understand that? A Sotho person dressed in his Sotho clothing, or a Zulu person, or a Chichewa person, or a Japanese person, or a young Boersean with his khaki clothing, it's all beautiful, it's of God. It is not a sin. It's what those cultures do. Like the Israelites started worshipping idols. It's what they do that is not in line with God's will that makes it sinful.